number 16, pull-up jumper and successful. Jersey number 16. And a still coming from Lorejo, pull-up jumper.
Huwag magmamadali sa offense. Stamina ang kanilang advantage card.
Counts, stops and pops for 3. Outside, diretso ngayon, napakaraming bantay. Meron. Wow! Diretso, look at that step, look at that. And now, jersey number 99, Zara. Grabe yung bantay niya doon. Tatlo yung bantay. The Dominican Greyhounds, Borsige. What a trip!